guys.
Yeah.
We have both of the Dubai chocolates. This is the Dubai cream chocolate, really expensive, €5. This was also €5. This has less than this. And this is the ruby chocolate angel hair and ruby chocolate cotton candy and pistachio cream angel hair chocolate. So we're going to review the Dubai style chocolate first. This is first time find it. We have to somehow get it out. Okay. Don't mind those, they're just rushing.
The battery is getting almost low. Like 24% only left.
So we get both. So you get one of the halves and I get one of the halves on the
Yeah, like we can again like get full of these chocolate. I will unbox this one.
Yeah. We just leave it like that. And you can unbox this because I have unboxed only one. You can get the other one.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna let you guys have the first look.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yep. Really beautiful. Look. I'm gonna do the crack. Wow.
Wow.
Look at this half.
Yeah, that's
Let's try it. And we're gonna rate it and let's see if it's worth. 3, 2, 1. The sides are really hard.
It's pretty sweet, but it's actually good. I give it like a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Is it worth it? Not really, but it's actually really good. It's a potato. So let's. Wait, I'm gonna put mine on here, and I'm gonna put your side on here. You can eat it later. So that's the angel hair, the Dubai style. Not Dubai, but it's just normal angel hair chocolate with cotton candy and pistachio. Once I've made the Dubai chocolate at home, it actually came really well.
Oh man, not these girls again.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. It's slurping.
Wow, this is so cool. Wow.
I haven't seen it.
It's broken. It's okay.
Okay. Oh.
This cotton candy.
Oh, I'm getting the smaller one now. Guys, you'll love that I get small.
A bit more. Yep.
What? Whoa! 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 Oh no!
It's okay.
Okay, it's okay. Very good. Better than this last one.
Great chocolate.
It's cotton candy. Very good. I give this 9 out of 10.
I give this 7.4. I'd say this is a little bit better. They're both really good.
Yeah. Because they were the same price.
But this, the angel hair one had less inside. The Dubai chocolate had 100 grams, but this one had only 80 grams.
Yeah.
You're good.
Really good. I love it.
Me too.
I'm like an angel right now.
Let's see how they taste both together. Okay?
Okay. I'll do it the same.
Damn, bro.
You can rate something out of 20.
Oh, the bottom came off.
Yeah. Same me, but it's smaller. Because my current...
I have diabetes.
Oh my bad. Guys.
I feel like straight up diabetes.
That's pretty good. I'll give this 16 out of 20. I like this first one, but the second one is really good.
They both are really good. I like the Dubai one.
I like the first one, just it's not good at all. So 7 out of 10. This one is 9 out of 10 for this one.
For me,
It's 16 out of 10.
For me, 7.5 out of 10 for this, but 7.4 for these.
So
it's really good. Look,
15 out of 0.4 out of 20.
broken half.
Yeah.
But the card again.
7.4 plus 8.
So I haven't had cotton candy in so while, bro.
15.4 out of 20. Take that. So good. I love it.
Look at a fart. I'm not having the I'm not having the meat sweats. I'm having the Dubai expensive chocolate sweats. I let it sugar. I let out some much sugar.
Look, the seconds are going.
I'm gonna end the video.
Okay. Bye, guys.